It's not gonna pop.
It's
Like a seed.
It is.
Listen, little kids love that thing.
This could be cute for like stretching too.
Yes. Look up Bounce Buddies. I'm telling you, Google it. Those things aren't cheap.
This video is for you. The one you're watching right now, this is the video for you, because in this video, I'm sharing with you guys my top tips to shopping at the thrift store like a pro. Because you guys know I have lots of stuff that I get from the thrift shop, especially my home decor stuff, and I want to share with you guys some tips I use to get the best things and the best deals. 2020, we are saving those coins, sis. We saving the coins. When it comes to thrift shopping like a pro, is know what you are looking for. You have to have a strategy.
Look at this sink we just found for less than $50. It is a really good sink, and I was looking for some stuff for my kitchen because we're going to redo the kitchen this year. And look, how cool.
If you're going in a thrift shop, say, okay, I'm going into this thrift shop, I'm trying to find some home decor, baskets. Overall, know why you are going into the thrift shop, have a strategy, and knowing what you're looking for, having a strategy is really great, because then you don't find yourself buying up the store, okay?
So one Goodwill hack is there's always like a little bar with stuff people have tried on and then didn't like. Always shop by the dressing room for that stuff people tried on, it didn't fit. Maybe I found some really good stuff that was really cute because people couldn't fit it. So always check by the dressing room, huh? She found her wedding dress, y'all.
Just kidding.
Would y'all buy your wedding dress from the thrift shop? I'm interested. I would, actually.
I think I would.
Oh, you guys know I'm all about saving money, so I definitely would. I'm gonna go see y'all.
That is cute. So let's see. This is a medium.
Wait, that's brand new.
Still got the tags on.
So I wonder if it's like a broken engagement or something.
It's $150.
That is really cute.
Know your locations, right? Like, you have to find good locations. So for example, if I am looking for some cute blazers, then I will shop at thrift stores in neighborhoods where it's a lot of working class, you know, maybe it's really nice neighborhoods. If you're looking for strollers, then you probably want to shop at a thrift store in a neighborhood that's very family oriented, has a lot of families nearby. So definitely know your locations, know your neighborhoods. Highly recommend that. For me, I know where the good thrift shops are, and I know where the good thrift shops are not.
Leo shopping with me. Really, Leo? Leo look good and crazy. Me and Leo at the resale store. Leo.
Know when merchandise goes on sale, know when merchandise goes actually put out, know when donations are given, like know those days. That, sis, is where you really win. If you know that all new merchandise goes out on Thursday, then you know you need to be there on Thursday and not Tuesday to get all the pickovers. Definitely knowing when new merchandise is put out, when things go on sale, when donations are brought onto the floor, even certain discounts, like, you know, senior citizen discount, student discount, things for coming discounts. Like, know the days to best shop certain thrift shops. That will definitely help you, especially the days they put merchandise out on the floor. You can simply ask them, like, hey, what days do y'all put merchandise out so I can be there during that day?
What's wrong with her?
This thing is really expensive.
That thing pop.
I think this thing retails for like, I'm not kidding, like 60 or 70 bucks at least. It's here for $4.98 and my big ass is riding it.
Is it full of air?
I don't know.
That thing about to pop. Kind of cool.
Listen, look up Bounce Buddies.
I actually want to sit on it just to see how comfortable it is. Is it comfortable?
Really comfortable.
All right, here, hold this. I'm real scared.
Nah, we'll see.
If it pops.
Is it recording?
Yeah, if it pops, y'all.
It's not gonna pop.
It's
Like a seed.
It is.
Listen, little kids love that thing.
This could be cute for like stretching too.
Yes. Look up Bounce Buddies. I'm telling you, Google it. Those things aren't cheap.
Look at Elmo over there chilling.
Elmo!
Look at Elmo's up here. Okay, I think I got everything I need.
Lucky I'm not. You lucky it ain't no little nieces or nephews at home.
It is nice.
Did the magic eraser on this thing.
It is nice.
Is do not take thrift shopping too seriously, y'all. Like, it should be fun. It doesn't have to be like stressful or cause anxiety. Go in there with an open mind, like, I'm gonna see what I can do, and just have fun with it. Like, when I go in thrift shops, I used to become like overwhelmed. It was just so much stuff. I had to go through everything. But now it's fun to me. It's like, okay, what can I Who is texting me? I'm trying to record a YouTube video. Somebody keeps texting me. Make it a fun way to see if you can find, you know, unique things. At the end of the day, if you find something good, you should be saving money, right? Like, saving money is always fun, right? I like saving money. One of my favorite things to do is save money.
Okay, mystical substance. Okay. This dress. Ooh, I love me some jeggings. I'm a jeggings fanatic. I do like those.
Go frequently. You cannot go to a thrift shop one time and then be like, I went to a thrift shop and I didn't even find anything. The great thing about thrift shops is that they're always getting new stuff, special stuff, unique stuff, cool stuff. So you have to go frequently. Like, if I'm home decor shopping, then I say, okay, I'm going to go to certain thrift shops a few times out this week to see if I can find the coolest, newest, cutest, cheapest stuff. Thrift shop inventory goes fast, so you have to be going there frequently to see if you can find some of the good stuff. The more you go to thrift shops, the more good things you're going to find. A lot of the stuff I've purchased for my home, you know, I purchased, my mom purchased, and I didn't get all of these things on one go. Like, I found one thing, I loved it, you know, and I just kind of accumulated things until I really got my rooms together. So definitely shop thrift stores frequently so you can always find good stuff.
That's nice. What is that?
The mirror, the light.
Oh, light fixture.
Take advantage of thrift shops while traveling. These paintings in the back, those black and white and gold ones,
Ignore those dead flowers. But I got literally all 3 of these for $15 thrifting. And they're super cute, y'all. And they match all of this. Probably should have ignored it too. There we go.
I got those when I went home in Louisville and I went to thrift shop with my mom and I got all 3 of those $15. $15. So go to thrift shops when you travel. You can find some of the best things. Some of the best stuff.
Turn around, that's cute. Wait, why didn't I see that?
Because you don't like stuff.
How much is it?
You
You're right. It's only $7. That's cute. That's cute. Let me show you what I got.
It says medium, but it doesn't really look medium.
I think you could do it. She could do it, y'all, right? She could do it.
But can it handle the...
I didn't do it. Do it over. Can you handle what?
Can it handle the...
Ask for a discount. Do not be scared to ask for a discount. A lot of times they just want to get stuff off the floor. I have gotten things for free. For the free $99, y'all. The free. Because I was not afraid to ask for a discount. If you see some clothing with a hole or it's missing a button, something that you know that you can fix or mend, definitely ask for a discount.
Thrift shop is the truth. And then I also got these cute little metal frames. They were $5 each, but they let me have them for free. So I got all these for free at the resale stores. I guess they were like giving stuff away for the holidays, like, you know, gifting people stuff. So I got these right here, and I'm thinking I'm gonna spray paint them and hang them on the wall. So I did good at the thrift shop. Got these free, got a $50 sink.
You guys know when I talk about how to decorate your home, look, sis be asking for discounts. Sis be like, this got a scratch. Can I get it a discount, a percentage off? So do not be afraid to ask for discounts. Obviously, not all thrift stores will be able to accommodate, but some can. And the worst thing that happens if you ask for a discount is they will say no. And you end up paying whatever price it was going to be to begin with. So you don't lose anything, but you can gain from that. Every store has the main objective, and that is to sell stuff. So if you're saying, hey, I'm going to buy this, can I get a discount? Their main objective is to just sell it. So generally, not generally, but oftentimes they will say yes. Not oftentimes. It don't hurt to ask, okay? It does not hurt to ask.
Buying pillows and getting pillow covers is cheap. Plus, it's getting hard to get really good pillows of like, they're fluffy. They're not flat.
Yeah. Or you can just buy new fluff, but...
which is usually like less quality. They get flat quicker, where I've noticed like some of these are high quality, so you're not gonna lose the fluff as fast.
And then my last tip, become best friends with the people at the thrift shop, because they will hook you up. They will hook you up. Talking about discounts, sales, set things aside for you. They will hook you up. Bring them donuts. Tell them hello. Ask Susan how her new grandchild is. You looking out for them. They gonna look out for you. It's gonna be a win. Who's texting me? It's gonna be a win for both of y'all.
It is nice. So we're gonna show you what we got, y'all. So I got a yellow romper.
Y'all don't laugh at me.
She got a cute dress.
Is cute. I have yellow heels
with the matching belt.
With the denim.
Mm-hmm.
I like denim.
How cute is that? That is so cute. And it has like buttons. Oh, not buttons. Large pockets.
Zippers.
Mm-hmm. So we got this. Some little lazy denim jeans. I figure, why not? Like with a white shirt or something. It'll be really nice.
Cute.
Second to gut. A floral shirt. That can be a swimsuit cover up. You know it, right?
I don't know. For some reason, I just like
the
look of it. I don't know, exactly how it's going to come together, but I like the look of it.
That's cute too. Little bodysuit, and I figured with some white pants in the summertime, it'll look really nice. That's why I got yellow.
And these should be cute, but for some reason they're not.
I like those shoes.
But
you gonna put them back?
Try them on.
And they do need a good cleaning.
This strap doesn't work.
You want to go to the guys' jeans and see if you can? And then we'll go to the home decor, because that's what I really got to.
So those are some of my tips when it comes to thrift shopping like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. I'm always giving you guys budget-friendly decor ideas, affordable lifestyle tidbits, easy, simple beauty. Basically, this channel is all about helping you live a simple, budget-friendly, but fab life. So go ahead and press that subscribe button, okay? So I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Bye, guys.